So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a couple of other examples of how you can debug process definitions, process instances, and also starting from forms. So if you go into our process definitions, you will, if you select any process, you can actually start debugging right from here. So you can click the debug button and it will open up the debugger and you can start debugging. You can also do that within our process designer. So you can go in here and you can say debug, and that will also kick off the visual debugger for you. You can also do that from a process instance. So if I go to run and process instances, you will see I have a couple of instances here. So I can actually select one of these and I can start debugging. And it will use um, the variables and initial variables and globals values that were passed into this process. It will use those values in the new debug session and it will execute the process using those values. So the whole point of building debugging into process instances was to be able to, take an existing instance and debug using the same data, same information that particular instance contains. There are also other scenarios where you might be starting out off from a form, and then once the form is submitted, you have a process starting. You can also debug that. So, for example, if you go into any form that's already pre-configured with process to run, so you can see that by form URL. You also have a debug button here and this will bring up the form. And once the form is submitted, it will automatically open up the visual debug and let you debug that info. So these are the various debug features that we have in the product. There'll be other videos also in regards to the visual debugger. Thank you for watching.